In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a landing page in Leadpages in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and make this as straightforward as possible. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and search for Leadpages. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on the correct link to navigate to the Leadpages website. After landing on their homepage, log in with your credentials. If you're new to Leadpages, registration is quick, and you'll join a vibrant platform designed to create high-converting landing pages with ease. Once you're logged in, head over to your menu on the left side and locate the Landing Pages section. Click on it, and you'll find the Create New Landing Page button prominently displayed. Give it a click, and you are ushered into the world of customizable templates that Leadpages has on offer. Here, you have a gallery full of templates to explore. It's very intuitive. You can use the built-in filters. Whether you're looking for a template by page type, industry, or style, the filters are there to help you narrow down your options. Spend a little time browsing through and get a sense of what type of landing page will best suit your needs. Once you spot a template that you think might work for you, hover over it to preview how it looks. This preview gives you a glimpse of how your finished page might appear. If you're satisfied, click on Start Building to select that template. At this point, Leadpages will prompt you to name your landing page. Go ahead and pick a descriptive name that will help you easily identify it later, and then click Continue. Now comes the fun part: customization. Click on any text, image, or button widget to edit its content and settings. Leadpages makes this really simple. You can even drag and drop pre-designed sections from the handy toolbar on the left straight onto your page. This feature lets you easily add structure to your landing page without any fuss. For your page to be truly effective, you might want to incorporate additional widgets like forms, buttons, or even videos. Simply drag and drop these from the sidebar to where you want them on your page. It's all about making your landing page as engaging and informative as possible. Before finalizing everything, preview your landing page. Leadpages provides a fantastic preview feature that shows you how your page looks on both desktop and mobile devices, ensuring your design is responsive across platforms. Satisfied with what you see? Great! Your last step is to click Publish, conveniently located in the top right corner. Congratulations! Your landing page is now live and ready for the world to see. Thank you for watching, and happy landing page building.